This is Buck Creek, ain't it?
Yeah, we're out here in the country.
Midland, we're looking out to take a left on Midland Trail.
Yes.
0.7, that ain't far.
No, I think it's right around the corner. All right, guys, we're heading out here on an estimate. I was going to take y'all along with us. We're out in the middle of nowhere. We're probably about 45 minutes from Fern Creek. But, all right, guys, hopefully we'll get an install out of this.
Still picture?
I'm recording. You can actually just, you know, physically do it if you want. He said it was the defrost. I guess he had somebody out here and said the defrost board was going out on it.
He said he'd rather update.